At the Greasy Spoon, Royal Roosters and Greasy Spoon in New Hope, Alabama, and having a afternoon paint along. And you're going to see these cute ladies right now that are tracing an image, and that moves the process along very quickly, because you can teach somebody painting things in a few hours, but it's really hard to give the experience of drawing as you would over a lifetime. So today we're going to trace it and then jump right into the painting that much quicker. We're going to walk around now and see how our painters have progressed and how different each one has decided to add color. Each one looks totally different. We have our night scene over here, and I want you to observe how beautifully she's painted that red, and it so matches her shirt. Here is one of our junior division painters doing such a nice job. She has painted a Royal Rooster, and this is her mother, and her mother has also painted in the same colors that she's wearing, which is great fun. And this painter has added at this point the most detail of anyone. So we know that she is a detail person, meticulous in the way she's painting. Very nice. So nice. Talented people. Isn't this fine? Thank you. All right, our painter has made her barn scene a snow scene.
Got some kind of stringy, oh Lord, no.
So here influenced one another. You can see
Yeah, the birds look better on
a
it.
happy influence here. Putting
Right.
these finishing
by your
touches
office.
on.
Oh, yeah.
It looks good both places.
Look at yours. All right, beautiful. Now, okay, real.
Yeah,
That was clever.
It's a room full of individuals.
well, it's like.
Painter's finished. Don't they look great? Hey folks, now our painters are all finished. We're calling these the Royal Painters, since this is Royal Roosters, and come again another day.